Welcome to Plesmi, your gateway to the fascinating world of electronics. In this comprehensive YouTube video, we embark on an electrifying journey through the fundamentals of electronics, demystifying the complexities and exploring the practical applications that power our modern lives. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned enthusiast, join us as we delve into the essential concepts that form the backbone of today's technological advancements. Understanding the basics in this section, we lay the foundation of electronics, starting with an exploration of electric charge, voltage, current, and resistance. We'll introduce Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's laws, demystifying these essential principles that govern electronic circuits. Prepare to gain a solid understanding of the fundamental building blocks of electronics. Components and circuits. Discover the key components that make up electronic circuits. From resistors, capacitors, and inductors to transistors and integrated circuits, ICs, we'll unravel the roles they play in creating complex electronic systems. Witness how these components come together to form both basic and advanced electronic circuits. Digital electronics and logic gates. Dive into the world of digital electronics, where we explore binary numbers and Boolean algebra. Learn about logic gates, such as AND, OR, NOT, and XOR gates, and see how they lay the groundwork for digital circuit design. Witness the magic of simple switches transforming into powerful computing systems. Electronic devices and applications. Discover the vast array of electronic devices that shape our daily lives. From diodes and transistors to LEDs and sensors, we'll explore how these components are used in various applications, including communication systems, consumer electronics, and medical devices. Witness the convergence of technology and innovation. Introduction to microcontrollers. Delve into the exciting realm of microcontrollers. Learn how these small yet powerful devices function as the brain of numerous electronic systems, from robotics to smart home automation. Witness the potential of unleashing your creativity with microcontrollers. Electronic prototyping and DIY projects. Feeling inspired? In this section, we'll guide you through the basics of electronic prototyping and encourage you to embark on your DIY projects. We'll share helpful tips, tools, and resources to kickstart your electronic adventures. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the captivating world of electronics. From understanding the fundamental principles to witnessing real-world applications, you now hold the key to unlocking endless possibilities in this electrifying realm. Subscribe to Plesmi and join our vibrant community of electronics enthusiasts, where learning and innovation never cease. Let's continue this electrifying journey together.